So as here you can see that how many terms of AP must be taken to be given sum as 636. So here let us create. So here we will write that our value of A is equals to 9, D is equals to 17 minus 9, and here Sn is given as 636. But what we have to find? How many terms means n we have to find. So here first we will find that D. So here let me write that D, that what it will become. So it will become 8. Let us substitute the value in this formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So here Sn is given as 636. N by 2 we will write because n is not given. A is given as 9. N minus 1 we are not knowing. Difference we are knowing as 8. So let us see that what will happen. So let us see. So here let us take 2 common. So if we are taking 2 common, here will remain 9 and here will remain this. So we will cancel out this 2. 6, it will become 636 n into n plus 4n minus 4. So 636 is equals to n 5. 9 minus 4, 5 plus 4n. Let us multiply this. So it will become 5n plus 4n square, and we are shifting this 636. So here we will factorize it. You can see if we are factorizing this, we are getting. So here we have to take 4n first. So it will become 4n square plus 5n minus 636, and that is equals to 0. Means here 636 4 we have to do, then we have to factorize it. So इसके ऐसे कैसे फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे कि प्लस करके 5 माइनस करके प्लस 5 आए. So here we will take one factor as 53 and another as 48 and then 636, and that is equals to 0. So let us take n common. So what it will become? So it will become n plus 53, यानी 4n plus 53 एज इट इज़ रहेगा. सिर्फ n कॉमन निकला है. यहाँ पे हम कॉमन निकालने की ट्राई करेंगे. Let us take so let me show you the factorization of it, that what it will become. So here I am showing you 636. So here let me factorize it, that 48 is coming or not, or what should we do. So here 2 ones are and 2 eights are, 2 ones are, 2 fives are, and 2 nines are. Then 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are. So 53 will remain as it is. So here the common thing in both of them will be 3 2s are 6 2s are 12. So let us take 12 common. So what will remain here? 4n minus. So अगर हमने माइनस कॉमन निकाला, so it will become plus, and that is equals to 0. Both the brackets are same, so write it as 1. And in another bracket we will write n minus 12, that is equals to 0. Now here we have to compare it, means 4n plus 53 with 0 and n minus 12 with 0. So 4n will become minus 53, so n will become minus 53 by 4, and this n will become 12. So टर्म्स कभी भी डेसिमल या नेगेटिव नहीं होगी. सो यहाँ पे लिख देना है. सो टेक n is equals to 12. So this is the end of the question. I hope you understood. Number 5, the first term of an AP, यानी कि A is given as 5. The last term means AN is given as 45, and the sum is 400. Means SN दिया गया है, that is given as 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference, means n we have to find as well as we have to find D. So let us begin the process. We having two formula. One we having as AN. AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Whatever we having, let us substitute. So it is 45, that is 5, and that is n minus 1 into D. So what it will become? Shift it, so it will become minus 5, and that will become n minus 1, that is D. So here we are getting 40 is equals to n minus 1 into D. Let us keep it as it is. And we will write it as equation number 1, or whatever value we will get, we can write over here. So one thing is that we can multiply also. So we can write this or this, but whatever is useful to us we will use it. So let us see here. I will write the formula of Sn. Let me do the separation. So Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is given as 400 and we are not knowing 2. A is given as 5 plus n minus 1, again we are not knowing. डिफरेंस भी हमें नहीं पता है, तो हमें क्या पता है वो हमने लिख दिया. यहाँ पे हमारे पास दूसरा एक फॉर्मूला था दैट Sn इज इक्वल्स टू that is n by 2 into a plus an. So here we can solve it by this method or this method, both are applicable. Right now this is easy, so we will write this. So we will write n by 2, a is given as 5 and this one is given as 45. So it will become 400 n by 2 and that will become 50. Let us divide, it will become 25. So n will become 400 upon 25. 25 4s are and that 4, so n will become 16. So here n we are getting as 16. Let us substitute in equation number 1. So we can get the value of d. So here let me substitute. So 40 is equals to n minus 1 into d is given. Let us substitute that 40 is equals to 16 minus 1 into d. So 40 is equals to 15d. So therefore d will become 40 upon 15. So let us solve it. So how we will solve? So we can write it as 5 2s are 10 into 4 and this is 5 3s are. So our answer will become 4 2s are 8 upon 3. So here we got difference as 8 upon 3. This is the concept of this question. Here so many methods are there that you can use in both. Here if you are getting two equation, you can solve it by elimination method too. That is depend on the question. Term of AP is given, means A is given as 17 and AN is given as 350 respectively. If the common difference means D is given as 9, how many terms are there? यानी terms ढूंढनी है यानी n ढूंढना है. And what is their sum means we have to find Sn. अगर हमें ये phi मिलेगा तो हमें S phi ढूंढना है. So let us find that what is the value actually. So let us substitute all the values. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d में सारी वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट कर रहे हैं. So 350 that is equals to 17 plus n minus 1. Difference is given as 9. So here we have to do 350 which is subtracted by 17. So here you will get n minus 1 into 9. Let us subtract it. So here let me subtract for you that we are doing 350 minus 17. So let us take borrow. So it will become 10 and 4, 3 and 3. So here we got 3 3 3 and that is equals to n minus 1 into 9. Let us take 9 down. So what it will become? So let us see. So here let me divide 3 3 3 by 9. Okay, 3s are 27. ठीक है. So 63 will remain. 37s. So here we will write 37. As you can see, I show you. So n minus 1. So n will become 38. यानी ये 38 टर्म्स होंगी ये पूरी AP में. अब हमें क्या करना है? We have to find Sn. So let us write the formula of Sn. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So as 38 we have to find. So here we will write 38 by 2, 2a plus 37d. Then whatever value we can see, we will just substitute. As here a we are knowing as 17. So let us substitute 17. 37, difference of d that is 9. So let us reduce this. 2 1s are 2 and 2 9s are यानी 19 2s are. तो 19 हम ऐसे लिखेंगे. Here will become 34. Let us multiply 37 into 9. 9 3s are 27. So here again we got this. Let us add it and multiply it. So it will become 7 6 and that 3. ठीक है. Now